Now, can you talk about your journey of learning how to code and learning AI, how you've used it for SIPs, and what's coming up today at 11 a.m. Eastern on the Stack SIP call?
Yeah, sure. I mean, I really believe like I'm just like one of you guys, listeners. Just if I can do it, you can do it because I'm more of a like simple, word guy or spreadsheet guy. And if I can go from zero, like everybody else can, and if more people can in Stacks, I believe it is healthy for the Stacks ecosystem. So that's one of the reasons why I'm sharing. And just to share my little journey is that, yeah, I mean, I didn't even know what GitHub was. I never heard of it before I came to Stacks. And once I got into the more software, open source world, then I thought, okay, this is what people use apparently. And then you find out how people use it in the crypto, and then you start to realize, okay, it's important. So that's like my closest ever to codes. I coded Hello World, but really I never really done much coding. And then the AI boom, I guess, made me realize, okay, maybe it is more possible now and easier now for me to learn how to code. So I decided that AI is a must-learn skill. And because of Dgrants, I met Blockface. I don't know how I met you, to be honest, through Rocky. Maybe Rocky just jumped on one of his faces. I don't know. It's kind of funny. And then um, so Blockface has been very kindly sort of guiding me a little bit, like how to go from the basics of you don't really need to know how to code right now. Like at my stage, I am on the process to digging deeper. But because there are softwares even now that you can just prompt to create a game app, you don't even need to know all the coding behind it. You just say, I want it to look like Candy Crush, and it will create like an app for you. And I think it's obviously the super service level. So I'm going to go deeper this year into AI and coding.